River State women don't come outside. They protest, say they want peace and good working person. They want their same back. You understand? So if you look around, you go start in the march, they come, they march one by one. You understand? Then they enjoy. You see, say some of them they because they play music. You understand? So as they play the music, you see, when they enter their head, they come, they march, they come, they march one by one. Even myself, as I they watch them, you can't even be like say make I they dance because the music when they put the music makes sense. You understand? So I can't carry the video say. Not be only me wey be joy, wey be your girl go watch her. Say no, say you go watch her also. Abeg, make you don't forget to drop a very good comment. You know what I mean. Drop a comment if you like what they are doing.